Children, now we'll start this AP only. This main questions will start off now. Okay. Different type of questions and all will start now. Okay, children.
Okay, sir.
So I start here. All of you on the camera. Again, I should tell everyone, children. Hmm? Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Rasool, Nihant, Samarth, Praharshan, Drishi.
Sir, I'll turn on in a minute.
Okay.
Sir, I have already turned on, sir. You can
Hmm.
see.
Yes. Okay. So I'm sharing now. Don't. See this question number, children. Question number 1 is very easy. Nothing is there in this. Okay. We'll do question number 2 directly because this is nothing is there in this. Okay. Question number 1. See, if 6 term of an AP is 16, 14 term of an AP is 32, find the 36th term. So no worry to do in this. Only A6 is 16. So we can write here as A plus 5D is equals to 16. A14 is 32. So A plus 13D is equals to 32. So on solving, we'll get D is equal to 2. Then A, what we should find here? We can find A from here, any of the equation, either first or second. You can use either first or second. You can write here A plus 5 into 2 is equal to 16. So A is equal to 6. If I want A36, it means that A plus 35D. So we are getting it as 76. Okay. Only I can see Summers. What happened? Zavian, Praharshan, and Rasool. Immediately will turn off now. Start teaching. Zavian.
No, sir. By mistake, like my thumb went on the
Achha,
video's
achha.
pause button.
Yeah. Thumb went to that video pause, huh?
So I'm actually using my phone, sir. So that's right.
So question number 2 is, if the third and ninth term of an AP, if third
Sir,
term,
which exercise is this?
this is not any exercise, not of your this thing. This is a different type of questions I'm having here. Because almost everything got finished, no, of your NCERT. I think last 2 questions were pending in that, right?
Optional is finished.
Huh?
Sir, optional. The last one.
Optional you want to do. Optional is not there in syllabus. Now, if you're having doubt, you can ask separately in that class and all.
All right.
Okay, optional if you want. If you're having doubt, you can ask separately. You can do that because that is bit different type of questions and that is not important for your board examination and all. Okay, but try to solve that. If you're having doubt, you can ask. Okay.
All right.
So 1 minute, I'll just different type of questions. This is okay now. So this is different type. This only 2 questions I did here. No, I'll do this before exercises. This now one more different type of thing are there. See, the word problems also may come in your examination. See this question. Say children, question number 1. 2 cars start together in the same direction from the same place. The first car goes at uniform speed of 10 km per hour. The second car goes at the speed of 8 km per hour in the first hour and thereafter increasing the speed of 0.5 km per hour. Each succeeding hour, then increasing the speed 0.5 km each succeeding hour. After how many hours will the two cars meet? See what they are saying here is first car, two cars are there. Two cars are there, car number 1 and car number 2. The first car goes at uniform speed of 10 km per hour. Second car is here. It's going with the speed of 8 km per hour. Now the second car only is increasing the speed 0.5 km per hour in each succeeding hour. Means first hour is going 8 km per hour, second 8.5, third one 9, fourth one 9.5, like that. Okay. So after how many hours will the two cars meet? After how many hours the two cars meet? So here I have written here, let both car meet in n hours. We don't know how many hours it meets. Okay.
All right.
So what we written here, n by 2. N hours we don't know. N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. How 16 all given? See, a is 6, a is 8. Difference is 0.5. So 16 plus n minus 1 into 0.5. So how I have written here 10n, children? Who will tell me how I have written 10n over here? Can you tell me how I have written here 10n? Samar?
Whole
10
10.
kilometers per hour. That's how you have written it.
What?
Sir, the difference, sir. Sir,
See
here,
what I've written. No, suppose this we are writing in distance form, right? This is at first part is the distance of first car. The first car we know the speed is what? 10 km per hour. The speed into time. Time we doesn't know, that we have written here 10 hours. So I've written here this whole thing is distance. I'm writing here once again, then you understand better way. So this is distance of the first car and this is distance of the what? Second car, and that should be same only after few hours, correct? So the first car will go how much distance in n hours? 10 into n, because it's moved with 10 km per hour. So speed into time we have written, distance is equals to speed into time we have written over here. Is it clear, children, what I've did here? 10n is nothing but it took n hours time to meet both the car. Okay, means both car will meet after n hours. So n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1. Now it's clear to you, not to children? Now anyone having doubt anywhere, just ask. Tell Praharshan.
Sir,
Yeah, say.
sir, not.
No doubt. Xavier, Drishi, Rasul.
No, sir.
No doubt, sir.
Okay. 1 minute, children. Children, is it clear to everyone right now? Question number 2. Question number 2 is like this. This is easy question, children. Leave this question you have done in class NCERT only we had done.
Yes.
Question number 3. All of you do question number 3, children.
Same
all-
type of question was also there in NCERT.
Which question? Question number 3rd.
Yeah, same type of question.
Is it?
Yes, sir. Same type of question. The interest one, installment and interest.
Installment part is there. I don't think installment part. This
Yeah,
there.
one
Same type.
for saving and one for installment was there.
Okay. All of you do this question, children. Question number 4th. All of you do question number 4, children. All of you do question number 4th. The manufacturer of TV sets produces 600 units in the 3rd year and 700 units in the 7th year. Assuming that the production increases uniformly by the fixed number every year, find the production in the 1st year, and the production in the 10th year. You are doing worksheet, children, from this one internet means this one is sent to this. No, you are having worksheet.
Sir, have you sent this?
Worksheet you are not having with you people. Worksheet is not there in classroom.
No, sir, I am not finding it.
Okay. I'll send one worksheet to the classroom of
Okay,
every
sir, if
chapter.
it is there, you can resend it. Then
Okay. Because it's very this thing. Different type of questions are there in that. You can just look into it.
Okay.
Xavier, you telling me how to do? I just solve here itself. Xavier.
Sir, I got it.
Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
Tell me what to do first and all. How to do this?
Sir, should I say?
No, Xavier. I'm asking to Xavier. I know you have solved. Xavier, tell me.
So we can write like the 600 as A3 is equal to 600.
A3 is equals to 600. Okay.
Then sir, we can take thing in the 7th year, we can take A7 is equal to 100.
100 or 700?
100, sir.
They've given here no. The manufacturer of TV set produces 600 units in 3rd year and 700 units in 7th year. So why you should write 100? It's given 700 now in 7th A7.
Yes, sir.
Then why you take 100? How 100 came into picture?
No, sir. Actually, I like multiplied 7 with 100 to get 700, sir.
7 into 100. You are writing 7 into 100. Why you are doing like this? 7 into 100. Here simply they are saying that in 3rd year they are producing 600. Correct.
Yes, sir.
And 7th year they are producing 700 units. That's it. Why you are putting 100 and all? So A3 is nothing but A plus 2D is equals to 600. And A7 is what? A plus 6D is equals to 700. Sorry, 700 units. You can solve this or not? Minus, minus, minus. So minus 4D is equals to 100, minus 100. So D is equals to 25. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So A, put the value of A in equation first and second. Put D in equation first. Put D in equation first. So A plus 2D, 2 into 25 is equals to 600. So A is equals to 600 minus 50, that is 550. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So production of the first year, that is A only, no? Production of the first year is nothing but what? A. A is nothing but what? Production of the first year. Production of the second year is A2. That is nothing but what? A plus D. Correct? Like this only, let's keep on going. If they're asking A10, means 10th year production, the A10 is nothing but what? A plus 9D. Total production in 7 years. So that will be a different question. Total production in 7 years means how much? S7 you should find. Understood? So here,
Yes, sir.
we need to find A, that is for first year. Then they have to find 10th. This one we should find, and we have to find S7. Then all of you can find children easily. No doubt in this.
No, sir. No doubt.
So A easily you can write, that is your 550. A10 also you can write, that is 550 plus 9 into difference, that is 25. So 550 plus 25 9s are 225. So we'll get 6 to 8, 875 is the, on 10th year they'll produce, in 10th year they'll produce how much? 875. Sum S7 is nothing but S7, what we can write here? 7 by 2 into 2A.
Sir,
Plus-
isn't it 775?
What? NS75?
Sir, isn't it 775?
Yeah, 775, yes. So here S7 is equals to 7 by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. So 7 by 2 into 2 into 550, that is 1100. Plus N minus 1, that is 7 minus 1, 6. And difference is 25. So you can write it as 7 by 2, 1100 plus 150. So 7 by 2, 11, 112, 1250. So 625. And 625 into 7 you can do. 5 sevens are 35, 3. 7 2s are 14, 3 17.
Sir,
42.
4375, sir.
So this is the sum of the 7 years. 7 years, how much they produced? All this will be 4375. Anyone having doubt in this?
No, sir.
Hemant,
Yes, sir.
which part you are having doubt? Tell me.
Sir, I am actually not having any doubt, but then I'm just having a small doubt in the formula only, sir.
Which formula? SN formula, S7.
No, sir, I'm unable, like I'm getting confused when to use which formula.
Acha. See, in this question, they're asking, first question you try to understand. Question is, a manufacturer of TV set produces 600 units in third year. So this is the production of third year. So we can write in third year production is 600, right? It means the third term of the AP is 600. This is clear.
Yes.
Then they are saying that 700 they are producing in 7th year. It means that in 7th year they are producing, means 7th term of the AP is 700. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So by the help of this, we are finding D and A because we know this equation over here. Okay. This two equation we know, so we can find D and we can find A also accordingly, correct? So A is nothing but production of first year and D is the difference between the production of first year and second year. and difference of second year and third year. This much is clear. A and D is clear to you. Hemant, A and D is clear to you.
Yes, sir.
Now see the question. Question is the production of first year. It means that what? A is the only production of first year. This is the production of first year, 550. Now production of 10th year, it means 10th term. Understood? Production
Yes, sir.
of 10th year means A10. A10 is nothing but A plus 9D. And last they are asking total production of 7 years. Total production means what? All sum of first to 7th year. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So we have used S7 formula. Still you are having doubt?
No, sir.
Any children who is having doubt still? Any child who is still having doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So next question is question number 5th. All of you just try this, children. All of you just try. Try to do by yourself. One minute. Let me on once again. All of you try, children, here this question. You can see the question, children. Just check once. All of you try. Who is solving fast? Fast and correct.
Done, sir.
Oh, what you got?
Sir, 44,500.
44,500. She has to pay. That last answer you are saying.
Sir?
Samarth? Last answer saying what amount of loan C still has to pay. That one you are saying?
Yeah. Amount remaining. 44,500.
Xavier got 73,500. Okay. Xavier, that only Xavier. What amount of loan? That only you found?
Sir, 73,500 is correct. We have to minus it from.
No, sir, I did not subtract, sir. I just found the S30 value, sir.
Acha, is 30 value.
Yes, sir.
Okay, show me how you found. Stop sharing. Javian, show me what you have done. Let me check. Show the notebook. Show the notebook in this thing, the camera, Javian.
Sir, it is like a thing, sir.
Done, sir.
Whiteboard.
What?
It's on a whiteboard, sir.
Workbook. I'm not getting you. Tell once again, Javian. I'm not hearing you properly. Tell me once again. What you are saying, Javian?
Sir, I've written in the chat, sir.
Which one? Written in what? Notebook only, no?
No, sir. It's like a whiteboard, sir. And the phone only. It's like a whiteboard.
Take the screenshot and send me to the WhatsApp.
Okay, sir.
Fast, fast, fast. How you solve? So nice you have solved. Don't tell it got deleted.
No, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Save it properly. Any children, anyone else?
Yes, sir. Happened.
What Hemant, how much you got?
73,500, sir.
Okay, fine.
Sir, I got 44500.
Okay, okay. 5445. So anyone who is not getting the answer, Adarsh, you are getting. Ananya, Ananya, you
Yes,
get.
sir, I also got.
Yeah, tell Adarsh. You are getting it or not? See, Mr. Gupta, huh?
Got it, sir.
Got it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then everyone got. Rasul, you got right?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Next question we'll do is question number. This type question is got over. Next question type is there. Let me check. This is like proving sums is there here. See, this concept is kind of different. Okay. This is 8D, 11D. Children, this concept is bit different. This is not given in your NCERT. Okay. Means here, see, suppose you are knowing that AP is in form of A plus D, A plus 2D, right, children? But you can write in other way also. You can write in other way also. How? You can write here A in between. Okay. A minus D and A plus D you can write on left and right hand side. Okay, children.
Yes, sir.
A minus D and A plus D you can write. Now you just see for odd thing. Only odd part you see. This is odd number 3. This is for odd number 5. So see this part also we have written here A in the between. A minus D in left hand side, A plus D on right hand side. A minus 2D on left hand side, A plus 2D on right hand side. This is clear, children. How am I writing here? For
Yes, sir.
odd part is clear. Why we are writing in this way, that also I'll tell you. Okay. Now for four numbers we are just trying it as A. Here we should start from not from A minus D and A plus D we have to start. We have to start from where? A minus D and A plus D. Again, we have to you should not write A minus 2D. We have to write A minus 3D and A plus 3D. Why we are doing this one? Who will tell me? Why we are not writing A minus 2D? Why are you writing A minus 3D after A minus D?
Because we are adding 2 minus 2.
Yeah, because difference should be same. Children, difference should be same here. So A plus D and A minus D. What is the difference? We just check it out here. A plus D minus. So I'll get it. 2D is the difference. So this difference also should be 2D. That's why we have mentioned here A minus 3D. And here we are mentioning at what? A plus 3D. Is it clear, children? So for just remember that for even number, you have to write in this way. A starts from A minus D, A plus D, A minus 3, A plus 3D, and this one also. This type is not given in your NCERT, okay? But this is very important. Try to understand. If you don't know, it becomes difficult to solve few questions, okay? Those questions I'll tell you, okay? The question number 1. This is having any doubt, any children? Anyone having doubt in this part?
Sir, I am having.
No, sir.
Hemant, you are having doubt.
Yes, sir.
Tell which part you are getting difficulty over here.
Sir, in the fourth one, sir. It's the fourth number.
Four numbers AP, that one.
Yes, sir.
See, first of all, children, what we are doing, we are trying to maintain what you can say, you know, mirror image. You can see this is a mirror image. Okay. So A minus D, we write, if you write A for 4 numbers, if you start from A, it's very difficult to write. See, if you start from A, then what you can write here, this side you should write A plus D, and this side is A minus D. Now where you should write, that is the main doubt over here. Okay. Suppose if you write like this, first number is A for 4 numbers. Second number is A minus D. Third number is A plus D. So fourth number, where you should write? This you should write or this you should write. That's why we have chosen this type of concept here. That is A minus D, A plus D. And again, the difference between these two is 2D. So you should, this also difference should be what? 2D. For that reason, we have written here minus 3D. And for that reason, we have written here plus 3D. Is it clear or not?
Sir.
Hemant?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Now here also same condition is arising here for 6 numbers. A minus D, A plus D, A minus 3D, A plus 3D, A minus 5D, A plus 5D. I think this much is clear to everyone why we are just using 2 difference here in odd, in even numbers, and why we are doing in odd numbers A and all. Others, it's clear to you? Others, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now see children, question number 1. Suppose you don't know these formulas, A plus D, A minus D and all. Now, if you try this question, you just do by your own method, how you can solve this question. Try to do by your own method. If you don't know this formula and you can use this formula, then you just try. You will get to know the difference. Why we have to use these formulas, okay? Try children this formula, this question, all of you.
So are these all numbers consecutive or not?
See, they are in AP. You can say consecutive, whatever you want to say.
Yes, sir. Sir, I
Yes.
was thinking that in a AP it can be also, we can also take it as A minus 70 and then then A minus 80.
A
So
minus
that can be done
A
because
minus.
they are all in AP. See, in an AP there are different terms, so we can take any term of them.
So which term you want to take? They are in AP, means which term you will take?
No, sir, I was asking if they are in sequence.
Obviously, they are in AP means sequence only. No, how we can take A and A plus 70? It's sequence, obviously.
Sorry,
No.
sir. I was trying to say they are consecutive.
Yeah, obviously consecutive is nothing but lagatar. जैसे कि 3, 4, 5 like that, no. And it may be like this also 3, 6, 9. So this is in AP and this is consecutive. Understood what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
So in this form also it may come, right? This is not consecutive. You can't say consecutive actually. Consecutive AP you can say.
All right.
Consecutive number is continuously should come 3, 4, 5. Understood? And AP means is doesn't mean that it should be consecutive only. It may be some any number, but it should be in AP. Understood the difference? Adarsh? Sorry, Azamar. Difference you understood?
Yes, sir, I understand.
Yeah. Consecutive means compulsorily one after the other. And AP is not sure that one. It's the difference should be same in case of AP. So children, just if you don't know the formula, then if you try by your method A plus D, A plus 2D, then how it coming difficult, you just look into it and you'll get to know why you should use these formulas. See, this question is just trying to make you understand. Let 3 numbers are in A, this we have read already, A minus D, A and A plus D. Sum is 24. It means that if you add all these things, you should get 24. So we'll get A is equals to 8. Now they have given whose product is 440. It means the sum of these all in 3 numbers is what? 440. 440. Now A minus D, A plus D is A square minus D square. into A is equals to 440. So 8 square minus D square into 8 is equals to 440. Now we're finding the D from here. So D we got it as +3 also and -3 also. You can use 8D as +3 also, -3 also. If you take 3, if you take D is equal to 3, you will get 5, 8, 11. If you get D is equals to -3, then you'll get 11, 8, and 5. Is it clear, children?
Yes, sir.
All right. Fine. So now question number 2, all of you try to do. The sum of 3 consecutive terms of an AP is 21 and sum of their squares is 165. All of you try this, children. Question number 2. Question number 2. Xavier, you understood the question number 1? Xavier. Xavier.
Yes, sir.
So you understood the formulas A plus D, A minus D.
Yes, sir.
All right. Then do question number 2 fast.
Sir, I didn't get question number 1.
Question number you didn't got. Okay.
Yes, sir. Question number 1 I didn't understand.
Okay, fine. 1 minute. Means question only you're not understanding or how to solve you're not understanding? Which part you're not
How
getting?
to solve, sir?
See, you understood what I told the concept part. That part you understood.
Yes, sir.
So if you're talking about 3 numbers, so we have to consider A minus D, A and A plus D, right, Hemant?
Yes, sir.
Now the question is sum is 24. So add all the 3 numbers and is equal to 24, you write. Then you can get A is equal to 8.
Yes, sir.
Then the second part of it is whose sum is 440. It means that if you, sorry, whose product is 440. It means that if you multiply all these 3 numbers, you get hard 440 you get. All right. Then put
Yes,
the,
sir.
now you can write here A square minus D square into A, something you do. You know A, you put here A value here. You'll get A value as what? 8. 8 square minus D square into 8 is equals to 440. You multiply this 8 inside. No, you have here 8 we have sent down. So we're getting it as 55. So 64 minus D square is equal to 55. So we can write here D square is equal to 64 minus 55. Hemant.
Yes, sir.
So D is equals to, we'll get plus minus 3. Okay. If you get A D is equal to plus minus 3, then you can put in first formula. This one formula is there, no? A minus D, A and A plus D. Put the value. Once you put D is equal to minus 3, once you put D is equal to 3, you get 2 AP. Either this will be the answer. See, either this will be the answer or this will be the answer. Hope now it's clear, Hemant, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. Do you want to take a screenshot or what?
Yes,
It's
sir, I'll
okay.
take it once.
Fine.
Done, sir.
Question number 2, children. All anyone find this? Question number 2. 3 consecutive terms of AP.
Sir, I am getting the D as minus 13 by 6 here. I got
Minus-
the A as 7.
D is
Then-
equals to minus 13 by 6. D is plus minus 3 should come.
Sir, I got A correct, but I think my D is not. Which
See where you did mistake. I'm just explaining over here. See, sum of 3 consecutive terms, same thing we should consider A plus D and A here, right? So D will get cancelled. So A is equal to 7.
Sir, I got it, sir.
Yeah.
Got
So they are saying that sum of their squares means A minus D square you do, and this square do, and this square you do. you are on sum of all the three squares, you are getting as 165. Okay, children, a minus d whole square plus a square plus a plus d whole square is equals to 165. Then a value we know, so we are putting the value of a over here. Again, we put the value of a. Now we are expanding a minus b whole square. We are getting it as 49 plus d square minus 14d. 49 plus d square into 14d here. And 7 square is 49. Is equals to 165. Now this 14d and 14d will get cancelled. Hemant, you ask immediately when I'm solving here. When I'm telling there only just ask, you didn't understand, okay? Till here it's clear, Hemant?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. So 147d, 147 plus 2d square, we are solving here. D is unknown over here. So 2d square is equals to 165 minus 147. So we are getting it as 18 over here. So d square is equal to 9 and d is equals to plus minus 3. Again, a we know and d we know. There are two cases over here. So first case is a is equal to 7 and d is equal to minus 3. And second case is a is equal to 7 and d is equal to plus 3. If you attained both the cases, what will happen? You'll get these two answers. So those who are having doubt, they can ask now in which step you are having difficulty and all. First, second, third.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Okay, I'm writing here steps. So tell me where you are having doubt.
Sir, not in the steps kind of a thing, but then like you're getting the answers like 4, 7, 10, right? How are you gaining that?
How are we getting 4, 7, 10?
Yeah, sir. Yeah. Like
This,
all the 3 digits, how are you getting?
see, our AP is A minus D, A and A plus D, right?
Yes, sir.
So put the value of A and D in this. What do you get? Put A is equal to 7 and D is equals to minus 3. You will get 7 plus 3, that is 10. Second one you get. Okay. If you
Yes, sir.
put case 1, you will get 10, 7, 4. And if you put case 2, you will get 4, 7, 10. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Doubt got cleared.
No, sir, not yet. No, sir. In this question, like till here you have explained till the 7th steps, right?
Yeah.
After this, how are you like going to get this?
Acha, acha. Okay, fine. See, we are having three numbers. No, this is the first number. I just explain once again. This is the first number. This is the second number and this is the third number, correct?
Yes, sir.
So if we know the value of A and D, we'll get all the three numbers. It's clear or not?
Yes, sir.
So we are got here we got A is equals to 7. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And here we got D is equals to plus 3 also and minus 3 also.
Yes, sir.
It means that there are two cases. A remains the same, but D case is what? 3 as well as minus 3, correct?
Yes, sir.
So first case is A is equals to 7 and D is equals to minus 3. Second case is A is equal to 7 only and D is equal to plus 3. Now both these cases you have to put in these three numbers only. Now it's clear to you?
Yeah, sir. I got it.
Mhm. Any children having doubt still? Okay, question number 3rd. All of you try, children, question number 3rd. The angles of a quadrilateral are in AP with common difference 20. Find its angles. The angles of a quadrilateral are in AP with common difference 20 degree. Find its angles. Try to understand, children. The angles of quadrilateral are in AP with common difference 20. Find its angles. So how to start? Tell me, others, how to start this?
And we should write that formula, sir.
Which formula you want to go write?
Sir, A minus 3D
Hmm.
into A minus D.
Okay, and A plus D and A plus 3D, right?
Yes,
Those
sir.
sums should be equal to what? What you should write?
We should write A is equal to 360.
Yeah, because sum of the angles of quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. And here common difference is also given to us 20. Correct. Listen, children, now I am just not going to allow the people who is off the cameras, okay? From the next class, I'm not going to allow you. Just take the permission from Manoj sir directly. Praharshan, for you, I'm not going to allow you in the next class. You just take the permission from Manoj sir. I don't know. Today, I'm not going to remove from the middle and all because this looks awkward. If I'll not allow, then you people understand that key, you should on the camera. This is a new method I have to apply over there now. If people off the camera from next class, I'm not going to allow. You have to take permission from sir. Drishi, it's problem with your camera. Can you hear me, Drishi? Then who else is there? Drishi, shall I remove you from the meeting? So this one is difference is 20 and we can find A also in the last. Okay. So you can see the answers now. Some of the angles of quadrilateral are in AP with common difference 20. So A minus 3D, A plus D is all is equals to 360 degree. So A is equals to, we are getting 90 over here. If you're writing 20, whatever you write here, 3D, A, D and D will get cancelled. So A is equal to 90. Now simply you can put the values, get the answer. That's it. So this was very easy question. So this type of question is not given in the NCERT, no? Samarth?
Yes, sir. I don't think so. No, sir, it's not there, I think.
Yeah, but this type of questions they have asked in the board exams. Okay.
All right.
You are knowing these formulas, Samarth, A minus D, A plus D and A, that kind.
Yes, sir, I know about it. Sir, it is in the book that Manoj sir has provided, the MTG Foundation one.
Is there? No.
Yes, sir, it is there.
Okay, fine. Now see, that next question is divide 96 into 4 parts which are in AP and the ratio between product of their means to the product of their extremes is 15:7. So this is very easy question, children. Again, 4 parts is there that you know. A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D and A plus 3D. And whole, if you add 96 is divided into 4 parts. It means that if you add all 4 numbers, you should get 96 only. 96 you are dividing into 4 parts. This means that 96 if you are dividing into 4 parts, it means that sum of all the 4 numbers should be equal to 96. So we are getting A is equals to 96. A is equal to 24 over here. Now the next part what they have given over here is product of their means. Means beach wala. This middle one, okay. Means this middle one. And extreme means this two. Ratio of this two. Product of the means divided by product of the extremes is equals to what? 15 by 7. Okay, children. Then you can solve A, you know, and D only you can find after solving. All of you just try, children. A minus D divided by A plus D whole divided by A minus 3D and A plus 3D. That is equals to 15 by 7.
Sir, here the formula will be here, right? A minus B into A plus B equals to A square minus B square. This will be applied.
What? Others? Sorry, Samarth.
Yes, sir. Here you told A minus D into A plus D by A minus 3D into A plus 3D. So here the formula will be applied. A plus B into A minus B equals to A square minus B square.
That formula will you have used here. That formula I have used here. Or you can directly also you can multiply if you want.
Yes, sir. That will be done.
Yeah. If you want, you can use directly also. All of you got the answer, children, here? D is equals to plus minus 6. You are getting that? All of you are getting D is equals to plus minus 6.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
now two cases are there. A is equal to 24. D you are getting plus 6 and minus 6. So you can
Yes,
find
sir.
the AP easily. That's for today, children. This a few more questions I'm having. Anyway, I'm just sharing this all the PDF to your this thing class work. Okay, so that you can go through it. Okay, do you have any doubts, any questions based on AP?
No,
Hmm?
sir, not for that.
Sir, you'll be sharing the formulas also, right?
Yeah, this everything what is mentioned in the this no everything I'm sharing with
Okay,
you.
sir.
Okay, children, all of you can leave for the day.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you.
Bye,
Thank
sir.
you. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Na, 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 na.